Hello and welcome to a new video. I'm Tara. I make videos on this channel with my sister Ellen, and currently I am officially 2 weeks until I finish my fashion design degree. And yeah, our final project has been like a semester-long project creating a collection for an industry partner brand, kind of like a real world project following it from initial concept all the way through to a physical collection. So I'm going to attempt to vlog to partially show you what it's like, but also so I can have the memory of this. In 2 Mondays time we will be presenting to our industry partner our collection, and then we will also be showcasing our collection in the evening, which is very exciting, but also at this point in time very daunting. I have 5 styles to do and currently there is 0 finished. So yeah, last night I got the patterns finished. Today I'm gonna try digitize one, finish sewing my like hero garment, which is like our hardest garment, and yeah, gonna bring you along for the ride.
I want to die.
Where?
Like right now, right here.
I got that on camera. I can't believe it. Okay.
Tell me it's not okay. Because I'm dead.
He's not dead yet. You're gonna survive. I'm currently going to sew some things. I have to finish my jumpsuit. I also want to get started on my pants if I can. I've got 2 t-shirt drafts to try do so I can check that they fit before I cut out final fabric. So yeah, gotta get sewing now. It's much later now. A couple of the girls were going to pick up some prints from the same place we got ours from, so they kindly picked it up for us. The color is not perfect, but we ran out of time to do any more testing. That's the colors we kind of wanted, so it's like a reddy coral color. This was the first test that we got, which was very orange, and then this is it now. So you can see the colors a bit less orange, but still not as orange as we would have liked. We did find out the Pantone colors to match them. The printers couldn't really do that for the time frame, so we just had to get it printed and hope for the best, but I think it looks pretty cute. Now I'm just gonna keep sewing and try finish up. Hello.
Hi, you alright?
Yeah, I'm just filming.
Okay.
That was my teacher. So I'm just going to try finish off as much sewing as I can before we close. Just got back from uni and it is nearly 8:30. It's been a long day, but I got my jumpsuit finished, which you will have seen. That is getting handed in tomorrow for our labelling assignment, so we have to label it to the Australia New Zealand garment standards. I got the transfer paper labels done. The one in the middle with all the text is the one that needed redoing, and as you can see it's kind of hard to do around the edges, but the ones in the middle are pretty good, so I'll cut those out tomorrow. I got jute string ready for our swing tags. I printed extra in case my printer messed up, but I printed out my label for my zero waste jumpsuit, just explaining the whole situation. I feel like as these vlogs go on, I'll gradually get more and more tired, and the stress pimples have started, so that's fun. I'm gonna go get the bus, and I'm wearing my Ethics and Aesthetics t-shirt today. If you didn't know, these are the t-shirts that Ellen and I designed in South. They're all organic cotton, ethically made in India by a wonderful company, so I'll leave the link below. I just sewed on my waistband. Things were going well until I realized my fly top stitch went all the way to the back, so now my pants don't open. As you can see, my life is a mess. My whole apartment is a mess, but it is now Saturday. What you did miss was me going to my internship, which is kind of like hard to show, and me going to work all day yesterday. The first fail was I bought magenta ink when I needed yellow ink, so I'll have to go get some more yellow ink today. Another exciting delivery last night was that my face halos arrived. So a couple of weeks ago I impulse bought one of these at the supermarket, and I really liked it. It was so much better than my like $4 Kmart ones. Sorry Kmart, these are like what they were trying to be. But they're so much easier to use, and I love like how much product it gets off. Like it really does it well. So I ordered a 3-pack, so I now have 4 so I can keep them clean. And yeah, it took like ages to arrive, so I thought it wasn't arriving. Like I thought it got lost, and I messaged them and they're like, no, it's just slow shipping, you ordered free shipping. So oh well. Today I have work again, and then I have a whole lot of errands to run. Number 1, getting yellow ink. Number 2, buying trims, so like a zip, and I need some more label fabric to print our group's labels. And I also need to buy some merino fabric for the t-shirts that I need to finish sewing the toiles for this weekend. And then our photo shoots next. There's so much to do. My to-do list is out of control. So I'm gonna attempt to take you along for the ride this time. I'm home now. I got my fabric that I needed to, and they were conveniently having a sale as well, so it means it costs less for the group, which is good because we are heading very much to the upper end of our budget, so that's fun. I now have to go and pre-shrink my dress fabric that I got last week in a washing machine, and because I don't have one I have to go to the laundromat, which is fine because I also had laundry to do. Which is kind of annoying on a Saturday night party. And I also have to get some groceries because there's just none left, and I need food for this week because it's going to be very busy. As you can see, the piles of clothes are gone. I did my dishes and tidied the apartment last night. It's really nice to have a little bit of order before the chaos. Like this week is going to be chaos, I know it is. I have to finish the collection. There's the photo shoot, we're finishing our presentation. Presentation is on Monday. I got the fabric pre-washed last night. It's currently laid out here. Yeah, just gonna drink my coffee, eat my toast, and crack on. I won't list what I've got to do, but there's a lot. Been home for a little while now from uni, and I have washed my hair. I feel so much better after a shower. I've been doing some sewing up one of my practice patterns, well, as much as I can sew while I'm at home, just so I can save a bit of time tomorrow. And I've just started cooking dinner. I'm making burgers, and I got these fries, traditional burgers again, because last time I had them they were really nice. They're one of those like fake vegetarian ones, but these are like these are super tasty. I'd recommend them if you see them in your freezer. I just remembered I need to do the thumbnail for the video. I uploaded the apartment tour video I was editing this morning at uni today, so that'll be up if you want to see it. Come into uni a bit early this morning to get a head start on things. And the energy drink train has started. I really didn't sleep well last night. I probably had about 5 hours sleep by the time I went to bed, and it was really restless sleep. It's officially only a week to go now, so I'm just gonna make it to the other side. The last 24 hours in summary are a 4-letter word that I will not say on YouTube. Last night I go to plug in my phone and the charger wasn't working, and I was like, that's weird. Try my other cable, still not working. Try a different plug, still not working. Try my computer, still not working. And at this point I'm like freaking out because I'm on 2% battery and I haven't backed up my phone since the day before. So I'm like frantically airdropping my photos from my like uni work so that I could have it if it completely died. And I was like, okay, maybe it's a factory reset. Reset it, nothing. And then I realized I have no alarm without my phone. So I was like, oh gosh, hopefully I wake up early enough. I did wake up early enough. I woke up at 2:30 a.m. and was like, I need to sort my phone out, like something's wrong with it, I need to go see Apple. So I was looking up the nearest Apple store, which is not near to where I live at all. I had to go for like an hour-and-a-half bus ride to like the opposite end of Melbourne. It was quite the adventure. And then I got there, they scanned my phone and I was like, please be the battery, because battery replace, not too expensive, easy to do, like replace the battery and I can go to uni. The logic board was completely, like, it was a goner, and he was like, we can offer you a replacement refurbished phone, but it's at a cost because it's not within warranty. I now am the owner of a new iPhone. I got the 7 Plus again because I did like that phone. It was just getting a bit old and then it broke. I really couldn't afford to upgrade. At least this one now has a 2-year warranty, so that was not the way I wanted to spend today. But I got back to uni, I finished the dress, I sewed a t-shirt, so I'm not totally out of control. I have tomorrow to sew the rest of my 2 t-shirts. That was literally like, out of every day this semester, that day, that night was the worst day that it could have happened. Tomorrow, oh, I also cut my finger yesterday. It's been a lot. But yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. It is Thursday, it is photo shoot day. We got it all done last night, like just in the nick of time. I planned the photo shoot in a big spreadsheet, and hopefully it goes according to plan and smoothly. Hopefully there's enough time to film like a semi-lookbook thing for our presentation, but if we just get the shots in the amount of time, because we've only got a 4-hour booking, I'll be stoked. So I'm gonna head off now. It's really exciting, it's gonna be so cool to see it come together.
I'm standing outside my window. 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 I'm standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through.
I don't know how, but somehow it's Sunday. It is the night before the presentation. It was a mad rush to get everything sewn before the photo shoot, which you've seen some cool clips from those. It was so exciting seeing it like on people and in outfits. I think it really came together, so I'm just like really proud of my group. I don't know, I think we've all done a great job. Thursday night / Friday, I was trying to get all of my like computer documentation done. I submitted 2 of them at 2:56. And then I had 4 minutes to grab all of my stuff, get to a completely different building and hand in the physical copies of everything. But I got it in. I just had to like sprint and I arrived in class like but I got it in. The photos came through yesterday and they look so good. Like, I'm so excited to get a lookbook together sometime this afternoon. I'm just heading out for my group meeting. Yeah, so we'll get it all together and then tomorrow's presentation day. summary. My group won. We were the winners of the Radical Yes collaboration for the semester. So yeah, and still, like, it's a day and a half later and I'm still in shock, I guess. Like, it still doesn't feel very real, but it definitely happened. It's all over, which is crazy. I don't know how it has been 2 years since I started doing that degree, but it has somehow. And yeah, now it's only like a couple of weeks till I go home to New Zealand. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed seeing the journey from the last 2 weeks, going from kind of no collection to a completed collection. Yeah, I think our group was really happy with how it came together in the end, and one of the comments for ours was that it looked like one person had designed and made it, which was something we worked really hard on, so it was really nice to have that like noticed and observable. Hope you enjoyed it. I think I'm going to end the vlog here because otherwise it's going to get too long, and I think from now on it's going to be like, you know, last 2 weeks in Melbourne, like packing up and moving kind of vlog. So if you'd like to see that, subscribe below, and do give this video a like if you enjoyed it. It wasn't my best vlogging, but I think I managed to capture a little bit of what it's like. Chaos. But yeah, thanks for watching.